Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do this, I don't know, let's see, I'm going to put a little spiral-like thing on here, and then do another, and another, kind of, see if I can tuck that in there. I don't think I can do another one here, but we'll see what we can do. Alright, I'll touch some of that up, and we're just going to go in, basically scrunch the rest of this. First one I need to rubber band in is this section here, because I actually want to curl this in a little tighter. And get this part here. I know I normally don't talk during the rubber band part, but thought somebody might be interested in my thought process with this. No, I haven't tried this before. I don't think. You know how that goes. I think these will stretch. Hey! Alright, the little ones will. Alright. Off to die. I'm going to go ahead and flip it upside down simply because I think these are more defined on this side. And it generally helps to keep that definition if I start with that side. I'm going to die straight through. This is really flat since it's the bottom side, so it shouldn't have any problem with the ice falling off or anything. I'm going to use different dies than I normally do. These are all from, let's see if it'll focus, the Fabric Dye Company. I tried them at an earlier video, I don't know, January, early January, for their classic cerulean, and these are some other colors that I picked up and I'm just now getting to use. They are Aged Wine, Almond Latte, Wintergreen, Forest Floor, Rustic Brown, and Midnight Sky. So, my first time using all those colors. We'll go ahead and see how this looks together. You know those times where you dye something and you go, oh, what was I thinking? Yeah, that's this. I have no idea what that little start was. It's not what I actually envisioned when I started this, so this is either going to be completely awesome or horrible. Utterly horrible. So, let's go ahead and throw the ice on. Alright, let that melt through. We'll see where we go from there. Alright, the center still has ice because it was that huge wad of ice. The edges don't. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and add some soda ash on these edges. And then a little bit over the top of this. It'll melt through. And then add some ice to the edges. Alright, we'll let that melt through, see how it looks. Alright, it's been well over 24 hours. Let's go ahead and wash this out. Alright, let's take a quick look. Go ahead and throw this in the washing machine, and then we'll take a final look. Alright, so here's the finished piece. Go ahead and push that up so you can see the bottom. Flip it over. So more than anything, this was really a test of just those new dyes from Fabric Dye Company. And overall, I mean, I like the colors. Not necessarily together for this shirt, but I do like the colors. They're all very rich, very saturated. Now this was about a 30-hour batch because I didn't feel like doing it at midnight to pull it out and rinse it. But not that much longer than a 24 that I would normally do, and it was about 24 from the time the ice melted, so consider it what it is. Still, the colors are great. Definitely what you'd expect from the Procion dyes. Now, I probably won't ever use these colors together again, at least not all 6 of these, but the colors do look really good. So definitely another place to look into if you're looking for any dye is the Fabric Dye Company, especially when the other options may be out of stock of the colors you're looking for, something to add to your list of possibilities. So what do you think? Let me know down below, and until next time, thanks for watching.